Welcome back to Buffalo Shane.
Yeah. Anyways, with the bee flying around, I'm Buffalo Shane. I'm with my daughters, Kira and Kaylin.
Hey!
And we are going on a bike ride
To get ice cream, and then we're going to the park.
Yes, we're going to Great Lakes Ice Cream in West Seneca, also known as the Caboose. And then going to Burchfield Park and Nature thing.
Nature thing.
Sure. So, hope you enjoy and follow along. Alright, well, we made it to Great Lakes Station Ice Cream.
I regretted wearing pants.
Alright, ready to get some ice cream?
Yeah.
Alright, my wallet might help. And can I get a regular peanut butter chip in a dish?
Yep. Can be off?
Yeah. Kaylin patiently waiting.
Patiently.
Patiently. So patiently.
I'm gonna go get a couple.
Alright, go sit by your bikes.
Peanut butter chip?
Thank you.
She's stealing ice cream. JK, that's a worker. How's that ice cream? It's good. Yeah. Really good. Yeah. How's that ice cream? Good. Really good? God. Yeah, you just saw all your boogies. My ice cream's pretty good, but it's wait, why isn't this showing? Okay, there we go.
That didn't work out too well now, did it? Kira, what'd that hurt?
My butt.
It hurt your butt.
She's still eating.
Yeah, she's always hurting herself.
Yeah, if I'm not.
What do you think, Kay? She always hurting herself?
If I'm not hurt, I'm sick. If I'm not sick, I'm hurt. Today I'm not sick, so I'm hurt.
Kaylin, what are you doing over here? Finding Junior Jimmy. She's looking for Junior Jimmy remember Jimmy from our camping video?
Our Letchford State camping video.
Yes, our Letchford State camping video where she had Jimmy Potato. She was taking for a walk. Did you find Jimmy Jr.? Oh, you found a cool rock?
Yeah, she found this one. It looks exactly the same. But yeah, look at these. They're so cool.
Oh.
Hey guys, if you're hurt or sick and don't know who to call or don't know who to talk to, call me. I'm the expert. No, JK, your doctor is.
Alright, we're done eating ice cream, so now we're on our way to Burchfield Nature Park.
Are we riding our bikes on the trails? Yeah.
Oh, we'll go take a walk on the trails, maybe play on the playground, check out some water.
Yeah.
Yeah!
We're gonna walk on the trails?
Yeah, we made it to the Burchfield Nature Center. Got our bikes all locked up.
Yep. No one can take it.
And gonna go check this place. Come and hang out. You know, this one's for the little kids. Whee! All right.
Here I come.
Really,
Ow.
Kira?
That hurt. Wait, I'm gonna try to
Oh, she hurt herself again.
Bye-bye. A whole bunch of videos and pictures while I camp without you guys.
Okay.
But this way, guys. This way.
This way. What's this way?
Camera on. Go check out my channel at Share Vlogs.
Promoting her channel. I see how she is.
Like when I was at the animal thing.
Yeah.
Animal thing. I want to go in front because I know the way.
Alright, so yeah, we're walking around the trails of the Burchfield Nature Park. There is benches and all sorts of little signs and trails all throughout here. There's also a bunch of different little structures. Really cool place to come check it out with your kids. Or by yourself. Just come check it out. And according to Kira, kids are amazing. I personally think they're amazing pain in my ass, but that's just me. And Kira's getting us lost. Oh. So, you know, make sure you read the little signs like this one here.
Beware of poison ivy. Beware of poison ivy. But
Yeah. So, just stay on the trails. You'll be fine.
I think this is where Justin was heading.
Yeah. Another thing that says beware of poison ivy.
How long did it last for?
Just go down here by this little stream that goes into the Buffalo Creek here. You're fine. Just take it. It's okay. That's fine. Fix your shoe. There's this little. This used to be some type of structure over here, and
Go up there and see if there's a trail.
no, just stay over here.
I think that's another trail.
Yeah. Some fallen trees, but kind of a cool little area. People come out there and hang out on there. All right, come on back up.
Is there any of this poison ivy?
I don't think so. We should be good. You're wearing pants, so you're fine. Yeah. You might come very close to some deer. All right. Then you can come down here, down by the water. Of course, people leave their garbage.
That's really high.
Yeah, the water's a little bit high. Skip some rocks.
Good.
All right, well, the girls are gonna skip rocks here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna skip that.
Here, let's watch them skip rocks.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Hold on. Wait,
Here.
there's more.
Here.
More.
Really?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna skip a rock.
Okay.
All right, let's see if I can actually do this. Only 3. Boo.
Only 3. Can you see them?
Some nice grassy areas, a bunch of people walking.
I'm gonna go first on the ice.
All right, go on the bridge. Come on, Kira. Kira's making her video. If she ever edits and uploads it, you can see it.
Yeah.
At Kira Vlogs.
Yeah. I've only uploaded 2 videos in about a year.
I think it's gonna start raining soon, so we might need to get going soon.
Oh yeah. Well, thank goodness I brought you.
And because we still have to ride our bikes back.
Yeah.
So.
This is great. We need to hurry. It's swimming. Look at it.
This is something rare you see today. Kids actually outside, swimming in the water.
Fish pee water. Yeah, fish pee water.
Well, you know what? I did it when I was a kid.
Me too, but I don't like it.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with it. So, yes, kids having fun swimming, doing stuff outside.
You do stuff outside.
Not really sure what this thing is, but it's pretty cool. Just a little thing to hang out on. There's lots of people here. Checking. Yep. Yeah. So, and there's lots of people here checking things out. Lots more kids in the water. More people down there. And as you come back closer to the park on the playground, you got some cool little art stuff. So this thing's pretty cool. The rainbow tree.
Wow, it looks so cool. We need to go.
Kira's worried because it's going to start raining soon. So, alright. Yeah, come on.
We need to go.
I'm going to go over here, over by your bikes.
Dad, did you post a video of us putting
I didn't make one.
You didn't? You had a GoPro. Huh?
So,
Why didn't you make a video?
I'm trying to do it right now. Stop playing. So, a bunch of little art and flowers and
Our bike?
yes. So, if you're looking for something to do with your kids, come check this out in West Seneca, New York. It's a fun little park, and we're gonna try to make it home before it starts raining. We got about a 10 to 15 minute bike ride home, so we should be good, but
No, we shouldn't.
Kira's all scared. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy your ride home. Alright, so we just got back from our bike ride and ice cream and a little nature park. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever been to Burchfield or Great Lakes Ice Cream in West Seneca and what your favorite thing about them was. Hope you enjoyed our little adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.